Yes, good morning, my dear students. So we were doing chapter number 8, A Pact with the Sun. So can anyone tell me what did we read in the story till now? Mridul? Mridul? Beta, unmute yourself. Sir, please unmute Mridul. Chaliye, anyways. Yes,
Yes,
Mridul.
ma'am.
Yes, Mridul. What did we read in the story till now? Just explain it once so that we can continue further.
मैम हमने पढ़ा था कि मैम सईदा की मैम एक मदर थी मैम.
Mridul, this is English class, beta.
Ma'am, we read that Saida's mother was ailing from uh, cough, headache, etc. And the doctor said that she had to sit in the sun. But
Hmm.
for the remaining days, the sun was not coming. So
Hmm.
Saida make a pact with the sun that
Hmm.
uh, he has he will come the next day to uh, uh, he will have to come the next day uh,
Or her mother.
to help her mother.
Hmm.
Then the next day, when the sun came, but the road to earth was.
Chaliye, anyways, it's okay, but the road to earth was blocked by some thick and mucky clouds, and the sun just refused them to go down to earth. And what happened? The one of the ray, she just said ki we want to go down to the earth, as I have made pact with Saida, and I want to help her mother to get well. And hearing this, all the other rays, they just staged a revolt against their father, the sun. And they say that what will the people of earth say about us, that we of the heavens have turned liars, right? कि वो क्या सोचेंगे कि हम धोखेबाज हैं, we are deceivers or we are liars. तो यहाँ तक हमने पढ़ा था, and we'll read further now. The son relented. Relented means changed mind. After hearing all these things, the son changed his mind and he said, Please yourself, कि अपने आप को खुश करो. Whatever you want to do, you can do. He said, Mind your clothes though, but take care of your clothes. Mind here, mind means take care of. The clouds are mucky, and I told you the meaning of mucky, that is filled with dirt, है ना? So that why the sun is saying the sun rays to take care of their clothes, because the clouds are mucky, they are filled with dirt and filth. So never mind our clothes, we can always change. And the sun rays are answering their father कि don't worry about our clothes, we can always change. कपड़ों का क्या है, वो तो हम change कर सकते हैं. But go we must. पर हमें जाना जरूर है. So and the rays rushed towards the earth and they just started rushing. The clouds stood guard between them and Saida's courtyard. But clouds jo the, as they were blocking their way, so they just blocked between the sun rays and Saida's courtyard too at that time also. I mean, they were just watching over, they were just making this thing sure that the sun rays should not pierce through them, कि जो सनरेज हैं उनके थ्रू पियर्स नहीं करें और वो धरती तक नहीं पहुंचे. द लिटिल रे फोकस्ड देयर हीट. अब रेज ने क्या किया, दे जस्ट फोकस देयर हीट, दे जस्ट गैदर्ड देयर हीट एंड दे हैड इनफ ऑफ इट. और आपको पता है सन रेज में कितनी ज्यादा हीट होती है. सो दे हैड इनफ ऑफ इट ऑन अ बटालियन ऑफ क्लाउड्स. बटालियन होता बेटा, जब सेना की एक टुकड़ी होती है ना, उसको हम बटालियन बोलते हैं, एक सेना की टुकड़ी को. तो जो क्लाउड्स में थे, they were like a battalion. So on a battalion of clouds which had to flee from from its post. Post यहाँ मतलब है उनकी जो post थी, उनकी जो जगह थी, they had to run away from there. जब हमें बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी लगती है तो what happens? We just leave that place. तो यहाँ भी ऐसे ही है, because the clouds were feeling too much of warmth that they had to run away from their area, from their place. The rays got through. I mean, they just arrived at the end of the clouds, shooting past the bewildered clouds. Here, bewildered means confused. Now the clouds were very much confused कि हम तो इनका रास्ता रोक रहे थे, हम तो इनका रास्ता रोक के खड़े थे, और आज तो इन्होंने धरती पे जाना नहीं था. But what happened? So they were just confused. उनकी confusion में ही the sun rays, they just pierced through them and they just started their journey towards the earth. So they were already late, क्योंकि if you remember, the departing sun ray, she promised with Saida that they will be there at her courtyard at the fixed time, but they were already late. So what happened? What happens next? Saida saw the whole host of them approaching. Approaching means coming near. Whole host means सारे के सारे, सारी sun rays, मतलब कि बहुत ज्यादा amount में, and means there was a lot of brightness and warmth. And her heart leapt with joy. Here, leapt with joy is a phrase, is a proverb which means filled with joy. और उसका जो दिल था वो खुशी से भर गया. She shouted, Amma, Amma. Because as you can easily understand that they are Muslim family, क्योंकि सईदा भी मुस्लिम नेम है, तो मुस्लिम्स मदर को अम्मा बुलाते हैं. So she just shouted, Amma, Amma, the sun is here, come out. कि सूरज निकल आया है, तुम बाहर आ जाओ. The old lady's eyes welled up with tears of gratitude. Welled up means overflowed, means कि आंखों में आंसू भर आना. With tears of gratitude. Gratitude means thankfulness. Thankfulness, because she was just paying thanks to the sun, as she and her daughter, both of them, prayed to the Lord that why have you ordered the sun to be hidden? Now as the sun had risen, so she was just welled up with tears of gratitude. उसकी आंखों में वो thankfulness के आंसू आ गए थे. Her charpoy was placed in the courtyard. अब क्या हुआ कि although she ordered, I mean she just said कि उसका जो चारपाई है वो नेक्स्ट रूम में लगा दिया जाए, क्योंकि वहां भी धूप नहीं आती थी, कोर्टयार्ड में ही ज्यादा धूप आती थी. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, उसकी चारपाई को कोर्टयार्ड में लगा दिया गया. कोर्टयार्ड इज एन अनरूफ्ड एरिया, जिसके ऊपर छत नहीं होती है. सो वन कैन फील डायरेक्ट हीट ऑफ द सन देयर. एंड शी सैट ऑन इट फॉर एन आवर. तो वो वहां 1 घंटा तक बैठी. रिक्लाइनिंग अगेंस्ट बोल्स्टर्स. बेटा बोल्स्टर्स आर राउंड पिलोज. you must have seen at your homes also कि आपके घरों में भी राउंड पिलोज होते हैं. स्पेशली वो जो हम अपने सिंगल बेड नहीं होते जिसको दीवान बोलते हैं, उसके साथ हम अपने घरों में या सेटिस के ऊपर राउंड पिलोज रखते हैं, एंड दैट राउंड पिलो इज नोन एज बोल्स्टर. सो शी जस्ट sat there फॉर एन आवर रिक्लाइनिंग. रिक्लाइनिंग होता है हाफ रेस्टिंग पोजीशन, ना जब आप ना पूरे लेटे हो ना पूरे बैठे हो. सो हाफ रेस्टिंग पोजीशन अगेंस्ट बोल्स्टर. It had been months since she had felt the sun on her hands. महीनों ही हो गए थे she hadn't felt the sun on her hands and face. उसने कभी अपने हाथों पे या अपने फेस पे सन रेज को फील किया ही नहीं था, because she was just lying in a dark and dingy room and breathed in fresh air, and she was very happy to breathe in fresh air. She thought she was in a new world, क्योंकि इतने महीनों के बाद जब वो उसने सन रेज को फील किया तो उसके लिए उसको ऐसे लग रहा था कि शी हैड एंटर्ड इनटू अ न्यू वर्ल्ड. दो पेल, पेल होता है रंग पीला पड़ जाना. दो पेल, हर फेस ग्लोड, फिर भी उसका जो फेस था वो चमक रहा था. इट जस्ट शोन and her eyes shone bright, and her eyes too, they just shone brightly. She saw her child too bathed in sunlight and kissed her. उसने अपनी बच्ची को देखा. Who is her child? It is Saida. So उसने अपनी बच्ची को भी sunlight में नहाए देखा कि उसको भी sunlight मिल रही है, and she just kissed her. The morning air brought in a new fragrance from nearby flowers. और उसके आसपास जो flowers थे उसमें से ऐसे लग रहा था कि जो वो सुबह है, जो सुबह की हवा है, वो एक sweet smell उनसे चुरा के लेके आ रही है. हवा से आपको पता है जिस डायरेक्शन में हवा जाती है उस डायरेक्शन में फ्रेग्रेंस जाती है. सो द एयर दैट वाज ब्लोइंग इन वॉट एवर डायरेक्शन, it was they were just feeling that it is bringing a new fragrance with it. The birds chanted a new tune. Chanted होता है sang. I mean, जो पक्षी भी थे ऐसे लग रहा था जैसे कि वो कोई नया गीत गा रहे हों. Saida's mother felt better already. Now she was already feeling better. She is fully recovered now. Now she is fully cured. As I earlier explained you, for a healthy well-being, for a healthy life, you need sunlight and fresh air. अगर आप डार्क एंड डिंगी रूम में बैठे रहोगे तो इट इज फॉर श्योर दैट यू आर गोइंग टू बी सिक. वहां तो वैसे अच्छा भला इंसान ही बीमार हो जाए. सईदा's मदर, she was facing a lot of problems, so it was a must, it was necessary for her to sit in sunlight and have fresh air. बट शी स्टिल फॉलोज द डॉक्टर्स एडवाइस. पर वो अभी भी डॉक्टर की एडवाइस फॉलो करती है. एन आवर ऑफ सनलाइट, 1 घंटा सूर्य की रोशनी में बैठना, धूप में बैठना, एंड लंगफुल्स ऑफ फ्रेश एयर एवरी डे. लंगफुल मीन्स एज मच एज योर लंग्स कैन होल्ड द एयर और ब्रेथ. ठीक है, जितना कि आपके लंग्स उस हवा को फिल कर सकते हैं अपने अंदर. आपको पता है वी जस्ट ब्रीथ विद द हेल्प ऑफ लंग्स. हमारे लंग्स में जितनी हवा भरती है उसी को हम एक्सेल करते हैं. जितनी हम अपने लंग्स के अंदर हवा इनहेल करते हैं उतनी ही क्वांटिटी में हम उसको एक्सहेल करते हैं. सो वी मस्ट हैव लंगफुल्स ऑफ फ्रेश एयर एवरी डे. Now, I hope this chapter is clear to you, and you must have found it very interesting one. And if you still feel any doubt, you can always ask me. I'm always there. Thank you, beta ji.